Two men are hurt in Dodge County after two separate motorcycle crashes that happened about an hour apart. The first crash happened in the town of Fox Lake around 4:30 yesterday afternoon. Authorities say 48-year-old Stuart White of Randolph lost control of his motorcycle and went into the ditch. He was flown to UW Hospital in Madison. Authorities say White will be cited with an OWI. Not long after, a 41-year-old Beaver Dam man was injured when he lost control of his motorcycle in the town of Hustisford. Dodge County deputies say Jason Stewart was flown to Froedtert Hospital in Milwaukee. There's no word on the condition of the men. Neither of them were wearing a helmet.